A website on home lighting, 7 months old and has been earning over $850 per month from the last 3 months now. How did this website achieve this? Let's find out. Hi, my name is Navdeep Soni. I am an SEO consultant, and on this channel, we break the myth that you cannot earn a handsome income online. The website I'm talking about is lauconlamp.com. It has been sold for around $21,000, and in first 7 months, the original owner earned around $4,000 from Amazon affiliate commissions. It may not be an eye grabber or a huge success when it comes to the numbers I have mentioned, but I will still call it a success and worth learning few things from this website. And if we believe the owner, he spent just around 2 hours every day adding new content, maintaining the website with over 182 posts, and ranks on more than 9,000 organic keywords that are bringing monthly traffic of around 27,000 visits. And with respect to some off-page stuff, it has been built on a fresh domain with no PBN support, but there are 2301 redirects of expired domains. The first one is laucondesign.com with Ahrefs DR rating of 8 and around 2900 backlinks, but these are not of high authority, very medium or low authority websites. And the second one is laukon-co.com with Ahrefs DR rating of 4 and around 164 backlinks. So nothing fancy about the backlink profile, and yes, it is still a good push for a brand new domain. So let us now quickly look at how on-page SEO is implemented on this website. Looking at the content distribution, it has around 65% of informational content and 35% of commercial and transactional content. And when you are starting out a new website, look out for low competition info keywords. Create a lot of such content in the first 2 months. And this is so important, and most people start without a plan when they are launching a new website. Make a content strategy, add a content at some pace with some velocity so that Google gets a clear signal on what this website is all about. Then slowly start building money articles around these info articles so that you can link them to each other with context and some intent. This internal linking is so important, and it has to be done with a reason and should not come across as forced. For example, if you're posting one money article, then support it with 3 or 4 info articles. Imagine if you have 3 info articles on a subtopic and it starts ranking. And now if you add a money article, send some traffic from these info articles to this money article, you will start generating some affiliate income, some affiliate commission, as well as in many cases, it will help you rank this money articles over a smaller period of time if it is not of a very high competition keyword. As per SEMrush, these are the top 10 pages that are bringing the majority of traffic. And you can clearly see it is a mix of all kinds of articles, including some money articles like Best XYZ. And this is all in the first 7 months. Now let us quickly pick up a money article and see why it is performing. So here is an article on best ceiling lights for your bedroom. Okay, so as soon as I opened the page, I see an error on the top of the H2 heading. There is a typo in the bedroom. Instead of O, it has 2 zeros. If you see the content table on the right, these are all H2s and H3s. All these are filled with important keywords, but these are all meaningful and do not look stuffed in any way. See, creating headings and subheading is so crucial and important aspect of on-page SEO, and this website has done a good job. Okay, so now this product table is slightly bigger and needs to be a bit more concise, as it will be a pain scrolling on a mobile. Keep in mind that people abandon pages more often on mobile because if they are not able to see what they are looking for, they will just dump the page and move on to the next Google search. Now further, it uses these images, but I would have liked them to be slightly bigger and more eye-catching. There is some contextual linking to Amazon that I would have liked to reduce, as the number of outgoing money links with the product tables, individual products, and now these contextual links is way higher. Avoid too many money out links. It has some reference links that are a good way to put outbound links, which are helpful to the user, and it helps Google understanding what exactly your article is all about and if it is helpful to the user or not. He has covered this topic comprehensively as it is answering a lot of questions. I see a few FAQs down there, and this guide is helpful as well. Now he has added a video as well which further helps user and Google. If a user starts watching this video, it will increase the dwell time, it decreases bounce rate, and don't underestimate the advantage of high dwell time. Google loves it. See, I cannot comment on the quality of the content as I don't understand this niche very comprehensively, as I don't have much knowledge about this lighting niche, but it seems like it is well written. It's not a fluffy content. It is not a superficial content that I can understand over here. See, whether you are writing on your own or you are outsourcing or you are using some AI tool, the content should add some value to the user. And if your content is not adding any value, Google will get to know sooner or later. I hope this short video was helpful and it'll inspire you to take your website to next level, or will motivate you to start your affiliate website if you have been planning to do so. Let me know if you have any questions about this website or in SEO in general. Follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Also, let me know how we can improve such videos or what type of videos will be helpful to you. See you in the comment section. Bye for now.